Today we're going to talk about the benefits of an independent agent versus a direct or company agent. I think most people are familiar with the concept of an independent agent. It's usually in a town where there's an agent that might have multiple signs that would say he would represent multiple companies. And that's exactly the format that we operate under. We represent a number of companies directly, and we have relationships with other companies. And so we are sometimes called a broker. You know, we broker a client's business to a particular company. A direct writing or a direct agent or a company agent usually works for one company. In that company, he represents them, he sells their products and that type thing. And again, it's a different distribution network for insurance companies. And actually, some companies now have, they've incorporated the independent agent and the direct writing agent or the company agent into their distribution network. So I actually represent some companies that have both independent agents and direct writing agents. So the independent agent, such as myself, which also, again, sometimes called a broker, we represent multiple companies and we have a very broad product base. And that broad product base allows us to take a client and their particular needs and their particular situation and match that with the company that would have the type of insurance product that they need, because there is no one size fits all. You know, again, we live in a world today where most of us have a very different and unique situation, whether it's a family situation or a living situation. And as we know, a lot of times those situations that we think, well, this is stable, they morph into something else, because we have clients now that are retiring and they have property in Florida, they have property in the mountains, they have property here, they travel, they have travel trailers and that type thing. So back before they retired, it was a home and 2 autos. Well, now we have multiple autos, multiple vehicles, multiple homes. And so we try to work with those clients on that type of basis. And so by representing a number of companies, we can tailor the insurance coverage to their particular situation. Where a direct writing agent, again, would have one company, one set of products, and sometimes they're not able to meet the needs of that client. We actually get a lot of referrals from company agents who are not able to adequately insure their client because of a changed situation. They will refer them to us, and we're very appreciative, and we work hand in glove with those type of relationships. But it is a situation where we do have multiple offerings, and as I tell people, it's A to Z. So we can insure your airplane and we can insure your zebra, okay, and anything in between. So where a lot of company agents and direct writing agents may not be able to do that. So the other point I'll make is we use the term, we represent insurance companies, but we're paid by our clients. And that's a very important thing to understand, okay? We know that if that client does not pay us or pay the insurance company, we will not be paid in turn. So we are very sensitive to that fact that, you know, we look at the client and we try to make sure that that client is well served, they're well maintained, we have a good relationship, and so we are paid by the clients. If you're a direct agent or a company agent, many times you are an employee of that company and you are prohibited from selling other products from another company, because again, you are a direct agent, you are a company person for that one company. And so sometimes they are limited on what they can offer. And so when I look at this, because I have actually in my career, I've worked on both sides. And I prefer the independent agent side because again, we have more offerings, we have more price points, we have more products, and it gives the client, you know, more choice. And really when we come down to it, what are we looking for in life? When you go into a grocery store, if they had one one pair of jeans, and that was all they had was one type of jean. If you walked in and you had one shoe manufacturer, and we all know anytime you walk into a department store, you have multiple offerings of everything. And again, that's what America's really about, isn't it? Choice. So if you have any questions, please contact us at Shannon Insurance or visit our website. Thank you.